Welcome to the BA Courses YouTube channel. In this bootcamp, the BA Courses team will dive into various topics of data analysis, data analytics, starting with data-centric jobs and the required skills. By the end of this video, you will know the required technical skills and the responsibilities of a data analyst and other data-centric roles. We all know that data is everywhere and the data is unprecedentedly generated. This huge amount of data comes with various challenges. Volume. The growth of data can be overwhelming. Variety. Data comes in different formats. Predefined structured, email like semi-structured, and the free-form text unstructured. Velocity. It is arriving rapidly. Veracity. The quality of data is very important. Finally, value. Extracting meaningful insights from data is crucial for any business to convert into opportunities. Let's look at a few use cases. The regular one that businesses analyze this operational data for key performance indicators like net profit, new customer acquisition cost, customer retention cost, etc. In addition, companies use this data to predict future trends, to tailor customer personalized experiences, and the list goes on. In addition, privacy and security have also become crucial with the data everywhere. So, in essence, data is both a resource and a responsibility. Data centric jobs come in both business slash functional and IT domains. In the business domain, they are usually known as business analyst, data analyst, data scientist, etc. On the IT domain, various roles that you see like BI developer, SQL developer, data engineer, data architect, DBA, machine learning slash artificial intelligence engineer, etc. So the required skills, the responsibilities, career prospects, and average pay would be different for each role. Let's look at this skills mapping. What kind of skills does each position requires? So if you look at the business related roles like business analyst, data scientist, they're expected to have a good understanding on the business functional domain knowledge. In addition, they're expected to have a few technical tools like Microsoft Excel, visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, etc., based on their role. As you might have noticed, for analyst, they're expected to have some good SQL knowledge. For data scientist, they're expected to have statistical plus some script languages like Python and database. On the other hand, IT roles, they are expected to have very good knowledge of the technology in terms of large databases, programming, and some integrations and project management, and relatively less focus on the business functional data. Just coming to these responsibilities of a data analyst and also the required skills for, for a good data analyst. First, let's talk about the function of data analyst. Remember, the business data analyst role involves a combination of data analysis and business analysis. The data analyst role involves gathering the data from various data sources like Microsoft Excel, Oracle, SQL, etc. etc. This raw data might contain duplicates, errors, outliers. So we have to clean the data to make it usable. After this, then we have to establish the rules on how data categories are related to each other, which is called modeling the data. Finally, by analyzing the data, we need to interpret the data to identify the patterns and trends. How do we do this? By using, rather, by developing certain dashboards, reports to provide visual representations of the key metrics. And from those key metrics, we try to deliver the insights. And these insights guide strategic decision making for the organizations. These are the regular steps that any data analyst they do on a day in and day out. Just coming to in terms of some technical skills, they are expected to have a good knowledge on the Microsoft Excel and decent knowledge on the SQL queries and exposure with experience in data visualization tools like Power BI slash Tableau. And it's very, very helpful to have certain script languages like Python or an exposure to statistical software like SAS. In addition, they are expected to have some soft skills because in day-to-day operations, they are expected to work with other teams. So they have to be very good in terms of communication and collaboration. Also, they need to present this data into insights, which they need to really have a good problem solving and storytelling skills as well. So, in today's topic, we discussed various types of data-centric jobs that are used in both IT and business domains, the required skills, and the responsibilities of a data analyst. If you take these and plan accordingly, you will accelerate your rate of learning and be able to proficient in the data analysis. Before you go, press the subscribe button to stay up to date. See you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.